Hi there, today we will write a simple worksheet macro event which will highlight the active row that our cursor is on. This is a great tool, especially when you are reconciling data or financial information, such as I'm doing in this example. Sure, we can use the native Excel feature to manually highlight rows, but we want a more automated process. Go to Visual Basic for applications. Make sure to click on the active worksheet, which in this case is called Data. Choose Worksheet from the drop-down box and ensure Selection Change is activated in the drop-down box on the right-hand side. Remember to notate your macro with a brief description. First, disable the following Excel properties because this will improve the speed and efficiency of the worksheet event. We are now ready to write the code, which will highlight our active row in yellow. The target syntax must be used. Obviously, if we wanted to highlight the active row in another color and not yellow, then we would switch the VB yellow syntax accordingly. The macro is complete. We can re-enable our Excel properties now. Finally, we will review the macro before we test it out. Let's click on row 7. Our worksheet event macro is working as required, which is further proven when we select other rows.